Hey YouTube, Phil and Florence, and Toby. Guess what's in that box back there? I'm getting ready to show you. I'm excited about this one. This is going to be a lot of fun. Hold on just a minute. Let me get this camera right. First, I got to take this lid off of the Weber Kettle. Alright, all I got is open kettle here with the charcoal grate. Another accessory. Ooh, look at there. These tie downs are against the side. I had it in there a few minutes ago, even with the tie downs. Let me clip these off real quick. There bees one. There bees one. Free up that thing. Now let's check. There you go. It will go in there. I was thinking I may have to take this bayonet off, but I don't. It's all the way down. Check that out. Got a windlass on it. You see that? It's on here, of course. You can raise it up. Your wood fires down here, real wood, real logs, and you can latch this thing where it'll stay put. And it's heavy duty. This is made even better than the Weber Kettle. This is heavy duty steel. I'm tickled about this. Okay, bring you up a little bit. What we have here is a Santa Maria accessory for the Weber Kettle. It's made by Gabbys Grills. The guy's owner and maker is Junior. Can't remember his last name, but if you just look up gabbysgrills.com, it'll take you there and you can see this, the price of it. This is $1.99, and they have one with a rotisserie, but you can actually bore holes in this and put your own rotisserie mount, whatever. But you can get them with the rotisserie. I first saw this, well, I saw Santa Maria grill on YouTube, watching YouTube, you know, in the past year. The wind's really whipping around here. But this is not the Santa Maria grill. This is a Santa Maria type grill accessory. Just want to make sure I get that straight. But what a fantastic idea to make it to drop down in a Weber Kettle of 22. And he also makes them for the 18. He's got 2 or 3 sizes, but I got another accessory coming. It should be here in 2 or 3 more days. I ordered it after the fact. It's a griddle, and it's as big as this lid, this top here, this grate. It's like 19.5 inches or something like that. 3/16 steel. So I'm really excited about that. To do smash burgers and not have to worry about burning it up. It'll stand it. But this is really cool. I'm looking forward to doing some really good chicken on this. Now, I'd like to say I saw this recently at T. Roy Cooks. So thank you, T. Roy. You and James unboxed it at your channel, at your house. And as soon as I saw it, I said, I got to order one of those. I went straight to the website and ordered it. So Troy's got a video coming out anytime, I think, on the tri-tip. So make sure you go over to T. Roy Cooks and check that out. I think I'm just going to start out with some chicken and try it that way first. But this will be a lot of fun. Eventually I want to get some type of barrel that this will fit in and put it over there in that fire pit also. You know, be flexible. But anyway, it's really simply made, but it's heavy duty. it goes down, and it's probably about 9 inches. This grate's probably 9 inches from the charcoal, or be perfect for chicken. And but he burns split logs in there, small split wood. So anyway, I wanted to show you this new accessory for the Weber Kettle, the Santa Maria. Go to gabbysgrill.com and check it out. $1.99. You know me. I'll pay the money. I'll see you soon. Phil in Florence.